So I'm at my brother's house, and he has all these bird feeders. And when I got out here, I saw a bird hopping around underneath there, that bird feeder, and he looked kind of funny. And upon closer inspection, I saw that he let me get quite close, and I saw that his eyes, or her eyes, were apparently crusted over. And then I called my mother, and she said that they can get funguses which crust over their eyes and grow around their mouth and make it so they can't eat. So as I watched, he kind of the bird kind of made its way over this way, and then hopped up onto these branches, and then hopped over into this feeder, and there he is. Not too concerned, and you can see its eyes are all crusted over with that with that fungus or whatever it is. But he seems to be doing okay. He probably just hangs out here at these bird feeders, and just eats all the time. But I figure he must have learned that route, how to get up there, before he went completely blind. So yeah, interesting bird.